Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Nikhil here. Actually, every FMG student will confused about how to fill the FMG application form because even I am confused. So I made this video to help you. Before going for the application form, we will make a small file here, and we will store here all things that we need for the application form. First is the signature must be within 3.5 centimeter in the width and 1.5 centimeter in the height. Within this box we need to sign, and do not touch the edge and make this imaginary line like this. For the photo, the measurement is 3.5 centimeter for the width and the 4.5 centimeter in the height. So passport size photo is enough because it's within the measurement. And the third one is the passport. Scan the passport front and back side, make a PDF and save here. For a fourth one, the we need the degree certificate and apostille. Apostille, if you got it, that's fine. If you didn't got, just ask your coordinator. The apostille you will get from the whatever you studied from the country. Like I studied from Philippines, so I got it from there. So you ask your coordinator; they will send you the PDF. And the fifth one is thumb impression. The measurement also same like a signature, 3.5 centimeter in the width and the 1.5 centimeter in the height. The sixth one is the eligible certificate. If you have, just upload the eligible certificate, or if you don't have, just upload the challan or receipt of the eligible certificate, or that is called the registration form of the eligible certificate that you easily get from your agent, or if you applied your own, just you will have it. These are the only things we need for the application form. Here is the 6 files we needed for the application form. In these 3 files are PDFs and 3 are JPG. That is the eligibility certificate, that registration form, and the degree certificate, and the passport. These are PDF forms 1, 3, and 4. The remaining 6, 5, and 2, these are JPG. The signature and thumb impression and the picture, and the JPG files are needed within the range is more than 50 KB, less than 80 KB, and the remaining 1, 3, and 4, the PDF files needed like within the range is more than 50 KB and less than 400 KB. And these are the only things we needed, and this is my apostille. I need to attach here. On the next step, we will go to the directly the official website. I will give in the description below. So this is the one first link, welcome to the National Board of the Examination. And after this you will get this link, FMG December 2021. If you are writing exam on 2022, you will get 2022. In the blue box, whatever the links are here, these are all guidance of the exams. Here is the FMG December 2021 link, and we will click here. We will get two options here: new registration and applicant login. We have to do new registration first if you are new. And why? Because we are doing this, we will get to the phone the normal message from the Delhi, so we will get one ID and the password that helps us in this option to go application form. So we will do new registration here, and here comes with I'm an applicant, yes. So if you are agent, if you are from agent, so they will do it. If you are a student, then submit it. And we will comes with this guidance, just close it. And here comes with the candidate name and date of birth, gender, nationality, mobile number, and email ID. So this is the very important because this name never change in the application form. This is the name you will get in the application form directly. So be careful with the spellings and the first name and your last name. So here I filled everything. Here the candidate name, date of birth, and the gender, nationality. If you click the nationality Indian, so here comes with one more option here. The are you a non-resident Indian? Say just no. This one is the mobile number is very important because you will get normal message that contain the ID and password both. So that's very important because until you get scorecard, that's very needed thing. So keep it safe. And the next is email ID. Whatever you are using frequently email ID, just keep it here, and the say re-enter again. And and next click here right mark and get the OTP for this email ID. So same again, type here in the submit. I got OTP. So successfully valid, and so later on submit it. So here finally we register the and close it and wait for your phone number that you will get the ID and password. Here I got my message, the ID and password. So I will go to the applicant login. So I will fill everything here, the user ID and password. Okay, we'll click the login. So here this page, if you are submitted in the registration form finally, to directly in this page. Now the here the we have to go directly to the application form to click here. So just in a while. So again comes with some instructions, just close it. So here three files are there for application forms. One by one we will go it. I already told you first that name and date of birth, gender, nationality won't change. So here is the father name. Check your passport, check the spelling and everything. So type here. After that here the if you are migrated from the another country, click the no, and the contact details won't change. I already told you earlier. For the identification details, if you have voter ID, just click yes and give the voter ID card number. As it is like a PAN card, driving license, and passport. For my time, I clicked everything yes, and they said like bring everything whatever I clicked yes to the examination center, and they checked only one ID. So my suggestion is click yes for the passport. It's mandatory. Any one is mandatory. So my suggestion is the passport is good thing. And the next one is birthmarks. You need to fill this one, and corresponding address and permanent address are same. Just after filling this section, just click yes. It will as it is copied in the permanent address. I filled everything, so save and next. Data saved successfully. So we came to the next page, that is qualification details. In this step, the take the 12th class mark sheet and fill the grades of the physics, chemistry, and biology. The remaining two boxes are the whatever the remaining subjects, type here and the fill the box. The five boxes are mandatory. The if you have more than five subjects, just add the row here. If you added by mistakenly extra row, then delete. So next step is, here we select the college. First is country where I studied, the Philippines. So the city is Davao. Here the came my college, and the month and year of the joining is, you need to check the graduation certificate that you will get there when you join, which month is joined. For example, I just keep October 2016. So and the month and year of passing is 2020 December. So here came the 50 months is minimum you have to study out of the country. And the second one is eligible certificate. Like lot of FMG students will confused about here in this step. So if you have eligible certificate, click yes. If you don't have, just click no. And this one is again no. You just type here applied and waiting for AC attached with a challan. So that's it. The next is additional information. Just click all no, no, no. This one is if you are appeared last time, then you can click the yes. Otherwise, if you are first time appearing for the FMG exam, just click no. The save and next. Here comes with the third page of the application form. So here is the first option is the photograph. We need to upload the photograph. So click here to upload. Here are the two options: capture the photograph and the upload. The first we will upload the photograph. For the uploading photograph, click here. I already uploaded, so I am explaining again. We will come in this file. So already I told you this is the one we already saved in the file because of to easily access. So here the photograph, just click and upload. So uploaded successfully. So next one is capture the photograph. Click here. So when you click here, I am working in the PC. I don't have any webcam, so it's not accessible. If you are working in the uh, laptop, that's very better thing because it comes with inbuilt webcam. So you can sit in front of the light, and background is white color. I will show you the picture how I took, and even my friends. Just close it. We'll go for the next step. Upload your scanning signature. Just click here and drag and drop the file, that signature here. Just click here and open upload. So just close it. Just wait for the until here file is uploaded successfully. Just close. Next one is the upload your thumb impression. So click here, as it is same like what we did last. So click it and upload. So file uploaded successfully. Next, close it. The second with upload primary medical qualification degree or a provisional pass certificate. So with attested apostille by Indian MSc concern. So just click here and upload it. That I already showed you here, the degree certificate that I got with attached apostille here. Apostille. Make it one PDF. This one and this one, the degree certificate and apostille in one PDF. I'm just showing you how the file has been successfully uploaded. So that's fine. Now I will go to the next one. So upload your eligible certificates. Click here to upload. Just drag the file same. So finally came here, successfully uploaded. So close this one, and the upload the government of India issued passport. Just click and drag the file that we saved in this file. So all things are came with the green uploaded. So everything's fine except this one. I will show you how to do later on. And the next step is for selecting city state is check your near your hometown, any in the cities there is an examination center. So if I click here for Karnataka, so there is only one center, Bangalore. If you selected your any somewhere the Kerala, only the city is see here lot of cities are coming. So you can select your state and check the how many the centers, examination centers, and that's very near to you. You can select. I will select the Karnataka and Bengaluru. So here the payment is 7,080 rupees is the examination fee with the 80% GST and everything. Is click right mark here, and the same thing type here and click agree and submit. I can't complete this one because I don't have webcam to complete this step. So I will show you after this completing everything with photograph. Submit here, you will get the payment method. So you can pay as a phone pay or net banking. After completing your payment method, you will get the note that your application form has submitted successfully. Your payment method is successful. So if you want printout, take the printout. Otherwise you can save as a PDF in your phone. This is the one of my friend writing the exam in 2021 December. I will show you his real-time picture. This is the white background with cleared face, and remaining things I already showed you. He went for this one, only this step he went for the computer center just because of the webcam, and he did there. And the mine also same. This is I passed out my FMG exam in the June 2021, and I will show you. I just took it in the laptop with the white background. I just used the white cloth, the flashlight in front of me, and the remaining things all same. The last point is try to get your eligible certificate before window period, because you need to upload your remaining documents within the window period. For a more videos like how to get admit card and scorecard, what to do later after the scorecard, so like and follow and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, comment below or follow my Instagram. I gave the link in description below. You can message there. Thank you.